Today on 21st Century Business, explore state-of-the-art technology, innovative business strategies, insights from cutting-edge corporations around the globe, a visionary look into the answers of tomorrow, today. Business leaders, business solutions, 21st Century Business.
Welcome to 21st Century Business. I'm Jackie Bales. Imagine a structure that goes up fast, is so flexible it can be reconfigured, and is economical at the same time. A pre-engineered enclosure offers all that and the ability to depreciate it like a piece of equipment compared to conventional construction. To learn more, we're joined by Brian Carey, president of Starco Company, a leading manufacturer of modular interior structures. Welcome, Brian.
Pleasure to be here. Thanks for having me, Jackie.
Brian, this sounds like a construction solution that solves many problems companies face in tough economic times.
It does solve many problems for companies, and not necessarily in economic times. You know, construction projects can be very, very frustrating, and they can be very, very time consuming. We offer a solution to permanent construction and all the hassles that go along with it.
So tell us who Starco is and what Starco offers in these pre-engineered enclosures. What are they used for?
Well, Starco is a manufacturer of modular pre-engineered interiors. It can be a single office, it can be a multi-office complex, a two-story office complex. It can be used for a lunchroom. It can be a conference room, a laboratory. We make clean rooms, we make environmental rooms. So really, anytime somebody needs to house people or house equipment or control an environment, we're the solution for that.
Wow. Well, let's take a look at these modular interior solutions in this 21st Century Business Field Report.
Constructing an office from scratch is a daunting task that brings visions of high costs and delays. However, alternative construction methods can be employed to lessen this frustration.
Interspace Design believes that modular construction is a new industry standard for all types of industrial construction.
The flexibility and structural integrity of pre-engineered construction allows for virtually unlimited uses.
The cost advantages is modular construction is a finished product. We minimize the amount of trades. When the walls are up, the project is finished. We have the ability to take down all forms of modular construction, relocate that, reconfigure, redesign. We can expand, we can decrease.
Modular offices and pre-engineered enclosures are cost-effective and practical alternatives to maintaining a healthy business.
Whatever fits that current economic condition, we could build for you.
Brian, in what way are modular systems an ideal solution?
Well, we offer a lot of advantages over permanent construction, but really two solutions are speed and flexibility. Jackie, our product goes in about 25% of the time that it's going to take for permanent construction.
Wow.
And it offers the customer the chance to reconfigure it, add on to it, and change it as they move forward and their needs change.
So why should someone consider purchasing a modular office?
Well, the one thing in the workplace you can count on these days is change. If you're getting bigger, you're changing. If you're getting smaller, you're changing. Maybe you just want to streamline your processes. This gives you the chance to change as your needs change. And so customers are finding that they're not locked into one configuration with their enclosures or their offices. The product changes.
Why is flexibility so important? And I want to know how it's possible that these pre-engineered solutions can be reconfigured so easily.
Well, I've been in a lot of plants or warehouses or distribution centers where there's permanent construction or even block construction. And you're either knocking that down with a sledgehammer or you're working around it, you're building around it. So just the flexibility that we offer is important. But what we've done is we've taken quality building materials and we've created this group of components, an erector set, a kit, that everything goes together and is assembled in the field. So it's one big erector set. It's like a big Tinker toy.
It sounds like fun to put together. Brian, could you go over some of the other advantages of the modular construction versus conventional?
Absolutely. One big advantage is it's treated as a piece of equipment because it's movable and you can accelerate the depreciation, the tax depreciation for 7 years versus permanent construction, which is 39 years.
That would be a huge financial
advantage.
advantage.
Huge. There's people that buy the product just for that reason. And then another big advantage is you're not juggling trades. With permanent construction, you have the carpenters, you have electricians, you have painters, and you're juggling all these trades, these skilled trades. One crew puts up our product, they're in, they're out. Customers love that.
What about the clean and green aspects of this product?
Yeah, there's going to be no mess that accompanies this. There's going to be no dust. All the mess is on our factory floor because we're doing all the cutting and all the mitering and all the notching at Starco. So it shows up and it's ready to be pre-assembled. And then all the product can be recycled. So nothing, when you're done with this and you want to take it down and move it, nothing's ending up in a landfill. It's all can be recycled or reconfigured and used. And it's also, the carbon footprint that we're leaving is very minimal compared to permanent construction. We're not knocking down any trees, and the trucks are very, very minimal.
Huh, so just the transportation in itself
It's
reduces.
much less. Yeah, absolutely, yes, yes.
Brian, can you give us an example of the cost savings?
Sure. In most applications, from a square foot standpoint, our product is going to be less expensive. But the real cost savings is the speed and the flexibility. The fact that you can get into your product that much faster, that it takes 25% of what it's going to take for permanent construction, and then the chance that you can actually move it. So the first time you move this, there's a tremendous cost savings right there.
Well, it sounds like an amazing journey so far. So what does the future look like for Starco?
Well, we're really excited about the future. We have many, many repeat customers, and the product lends itself to once you try it, once you use it, you don't go, I wish we'd done stick-built construction on that project. It's easy. And we've gone from doing single-room projects to multi-room complexes to big two-story structures to clean rooms. So I think the sky's the limit, and I don't believe we've even scratched the surface of where we're going as a company.
Well, Brian, thanks for a really interesting look at the possibilities created by pre-engineered modular interior solution. You've given business owners much to consider.
Jackie, thanks for having me.